Hey people, welcome back to the channel Take the Bow. I guess you people are doing great today. So, yeah, we are going to see a business concept about how to do the business which you are already doing or somewhat you're planning to do as a startup business through PayTm. PayTm is something like an e-marketplace where you can sell products and you can buy them in fact, and that was introduced originally as a wallet kind of thing where the merchandise can be done through making the payment through Paytm, and the seller can actually get the payment from buyer through QR code scan and all. I guess people might be aware of it already. And today we're going to see how you can register yourself with Paytm and do work from home instead of having a proper paid place for selling your products. So before we get on to the details of the business, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, support the channel, click on that bell icon as soon as you subscribe to the channel. So let's get on to the business concept now. Paytm wallet, as I was saying, you might be well aware of it already. So Paytm Mall is something which they have recently launched, and that's where you can actually sell the groceries and other products, and that could be listed as a products on their Paytm app and Paytm websites, and you can sell them through the Paytm. So I guess you people are aware of e-marketplace, which is the place where you can sell the products, list them, and sell them. People would come to the e-marketplace for buying things where your products would also be listed along with other sellers, and that will be bought by them. As soon as the order is placed, you'll receive a message and you have to ship it through the e-marketplace provider. So in order to register, you have to first download the app from the app Play Store or App Store, depending on the mobile you're using. So as soon as you download the app, you have to create create a login credentials using your mobile number, email address. You have to create it, and the username and password. As soon as it is created, you have to update your business address where you're going to do this business, and the KYC documents as in your ID and address proof, and you have to accept the terms and conditions. So once that is done, you have to decide which product you're going to do, and that product has to be covered photographically in order to get it uploaded for listing it against the category which you are going to list that product, and description about the product, what is it is, how far, like how it could be used, and the specifications of the product along with the expiry date. So since it's grocery products and other food stuff, so you have to make sure the expiry date is also captured, and then you'll go with the registration, the company registration details, and your GST, your PAN card, bank account, and a cancel check leave. Cancel check leave is something as soon as you have opened the bank account in your company name or in your name, you would have got the check leaves from the bank, and that has to be cancelled, crossed, and then that should be marked as cancelled, and that the copy of it has to be uploaded here. So these documents would go to Paytm, and that will be verified through a verification process which they do on a deliberate basis. So once that is done, your product could be listed. Like, while the product is being listed, you'll be given with the accessories and other packing stuffs from the Paytm by themselves, the packing tapes, and then the boxes, corrugated boxes, and the packaging bags, everything would be given by them. So once you receive them, you can start selling the products. So as soon as you receive the order in Paytm, you will receive a message, and you have to process it and pack it and keep it ready, and you have to update it in the app. So once you update, the person will be dropping to your location, that will be collected, delivered to the end customer who has ordered the product. So once it is delivered, the payment would be credited to you by reducing certain percentage which the Paytm charges from you in order to have the transaction through them. So you can do groceries, face masks, sanitizers. Face mask and sanitizers is something which they've added as an essential product. Again, that is the fast moving at this point of time. And dresses, beauty products, belts, jewelry, accessories, though they are not delivered at this point of time, but still they are of huge scope in the online market, because after this pandemic, people obviously are going to have a lot of online purchases, and this would be a scopeful business for you. You can source the wholesale. Just all you have to do is source the wholesale and get it from them, store it in your place and sell it through the online e-marketplace. It is not that period where you have to spend something on a physical location or a building or a construction and display your products and wait for someone to drop in. It's just that you have to click and upload it. As soon as you upload, people are going to look at, and only if they buy it, you're going to pack and send it across. So just for an instance, like we have just showed a display of a mask. So if you can buy that through wholesale, it's just for two. It's available for 2 rupees each piece, and the cost at which you're going to sell is at least for 20 rupees, and you'll have 16 rupees as profit after reducing the commission which the PayTm charges for you. So you can pack them in dozens, which we call like 12 pieces each. So each dozen comprises of 12 pieces, and that will make you a profit of 192 rupees. So per packet, which has 12 pieces. So at least in a day, if you can sell like 5 packets, that will add up to 960 rupees as a profit for you, and monthly that will easily go up to 28,800. Apart from that, you can still sell hand sanitizers, and then hand gloves, and you have too many things right now. And groceries, of course, all you have to do again, source the material, source it at the cheaper cost and qualitatively, and then you have to display them in PayTm website and app, and then all you have to wait for an order. So once it is placed, you can send it across through them. It's not that the traditional way of selling the products where you'll be placing them at a location and waiting for someone to drop in and collect it or buy it. So it's just the e-marketplace where you'll source them and sell them. Just in a matter of few steps, you can get yourself in fixed, like attached to them, in order to make your regular sales altogether. So if you got anything to ask about this business option, and you have anything as a question, just let me know in the comment section. So I've given a detailed link in a description where you'll have the step-by-step process as how you have to register in a PayTm. It's a blog where you'll have all the step-by-step process being explained, like how you have to register to PayTm and what are sort of documents to be uploaded. Every screenshots and explanations will be there. I have given the link in the description box. You can use it very well. If at all you find something to be mentioned in the channel as a business option, any specific business to be explained, just let me know in the comments as well. I'll consider them and post them as soon as it is possible. So I'll see you soon with another interesting concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.